morning students. I hope all of you are keeping fine. So today we are going to learn English literature chapter 5 Maui's Kite. We are going to learn about Maui's Kite. A boy called Maui, his kite. About his kite we are going to learn in this chapter. So let's know something about the writer. Who has written this story? Who has written? Thomas Anthony. Thomas Anthony was an American writer, so also illustrator. What do you mean by the word illustrator? Illustrator means one who draws or creates pictures for magazines, for books, or for the advertisement. Okay? Illustrator means one who draws or creates pictures. Okay. So also he has written more than 200 children's books. He received Children's Literature Legacy Award for his lifetime contribution in the year 2011. And he died recently in the month of March 30th, 2020. So this is all about the writer. So in this chapter, Maui's Kite, okay, this boy, Maui, had a desire to prepare a beautiful kite, and he wanted that for his kite. He wanted to find out, to get a special wind. So when we study this lesson, we'll come to know where he found a special wind for his kite. Okay, so earlier days in Hawaii, Hawaii is the name of the place. It is a state of the states of United States of America. It is a state of United States of America. Okay, it is also an island, group of islands located in the Central Pacific Ocean. Okay, so long years ago, people of this place used to tell a story to explain the wonders of nature. In the form of story, they used to explain the wonders of nature. So, in this story, we are going to learn about Maui's kite, a beautiful kite, and how he gets for his kite a special wind. Okay, you will find the wind in the cave of the. Okay, in the cave. Special wind was found in the cave. Okay, so my dear students, all of you take page 41. All of you open page 41.
So my dear students, long ago in Hawaii, people told stories to explain the wonders of nature. Okay, wonders of nature. What do you mean? That is, we call in Hindi, Prakriti ka chamatkar. Okay, people used to tell about that, told stories to explain the wonders of nature. And this story, which story? Maui's Kite. Okay, this story is about Maui. Okay, this story is about the boy called Maui who wanted to tame the winds. Who wanted to tame the winds? Tame means make something easy to control. Taming. Okay, bring something under control. He wanted to bring wind under his control. Okay, he wanted to tame the winds. So one morning, Maui decided that he had to build a kite. So finally, he decided to build a kite. And what a kite he built. What a beautiful kite he built. His mother gave him her largest, strongest piece of cloth. Okay, mother gave him her largest, strongest piece of cloth. She might have given her sari, largest and strongest piece of cloth. For what? For why she gave? To tie the cross pieces. Cross pieces means sticks used, okay, to form the frame of the kite. Okay, sticks used to form the frame of the kite. Okay, for the cross pieces he used sticks. What type of sticks he used? Bamboo. He used sticks of bamboo, and he cut branches from the Olona shrub. Olona shrub in Hawaii, this plant is found. Okay, therefore this plant is called Hawaii plant. Okay, and this plant, Olona shrub, is known for its strong bark. The skin of the plant is very strong. Okay, so why he cut the branches of the Olona shrub? Why? To make a strong rope. To make a strong rope to tie the kite. Okay. Maui's kite was a work of art, not ordinary kite. Not simply he made, but it was an work of art. He told himself, what he told? I must get a special wind to fly my kite. So Maui told himself that for his kite, he must find a special wind to fly his kite. And to get that special wind, he said, I will go to the keeper of the winds. To get the special wind, he has to go to the keeper of the winds. Keeper of the winds means owner of the winds, one who keeps the winds, in charge of the winds. Okay, so she will let me have the perfect wind. Now Maui is thinking that if he goes to the keeper of the wind, she will give him the perfect wind to make my kite fly really high. Perfect wind to make his kite fly really high. Okay. To see Maui's kite, his friends came to see Maui's kite. So his friends happily gathered around. Not only to see, they came to help him, around to help him carry his kite. Now Maui was planning to go to the keeper of the wind. So to take that kite safely, his friends came running, came to help him to carry his kite to the keeper of the winds. Okay, as the group paraded means walked in a large group, walked in a line, orderly manner, orderly fashion. Okay, as the group paraded through the village, everybody left their work and came to watch. When the group of boys carried the kite, and when they marched forward in the village road, people left their work and came to see, came to watch what they were carrying. When the group finally approached means reached, okay, came near, okay. When the group finally reached, where they reached? The cave of the winds. When the group finally reached the cave of the winds, they could see the keeper of the winds sitting by the entrance. When they reached the cave of the winds, they could see who was sitting in front of the gates or in front of the entrance, the keeper of the winds. Okay, as soon as they reached in front of the cave, Maui said, "Oh, keeper of the winds," cried Maui, "please bring Aipuiki, the small god." God means a type of vegetable, no? A fleshy vegetable with a thick skin. So, Maui requested, "Please bring Aipuiki, the small god that holds the gentle breezes." He knew what holds that gentle breeze. So, Mavi told to the keeper of the wind, please bring Aipuiki, the small god that holds the keeper of the breezes or winds, and let us fly our kite and allow us to fly my kite. You can see here, keeper of the wind. She is holding Aipuiki, the small god, and inside the god, what is there? The gentle breeze. Okay. So, Mavi requested to the keeper of the wind to take out, to bring that Aipuiki, the small god that holds the gentle breeze, and let us fly our kite. The keeper was a wise old woman. The keeper was a very wise and old woman. You can see the picture. She knew that the gentle winds of Aipuiki would play kindly with the boy. So she was very wise woman, very intelligent. So she knew that Aipuiki would play kindly with the boy. The gentle winds that God holds, that will fit or is a perfect wind for Mavi's kite. So she went into her cave. She went inside the cave, and after that she returned carrying a small god. She went inside and carried a small god in her hand and came out, small god, and singing her songs. Not simply she came, carrying, jumping, singing. She came out, giving that Aipuiki to whom? Mavi. Because this Aipuiki, here we find the gentle breeze or gentle wind, and this wind is perfect for Mavi's beautiful kite. So my dear children, I request all of you to read this paragraph, page number 41, and you will understand better. So that's all for today. Thank you. God bless you.